Hi guys, I'm Jackson with Rustico, and I am doing the September bullet journal, The Plan With Me, so stay tuned to see how it turns out. I'm starting out by outlining everything that I want in the bullet journal, so that way when I go over it with marker, it looks a little bit nicer and a little bit neater. I'm starting to outline the shape that I'm going to put the calendar in, September's calendar. I want it to look nice and neat. I'm adding some wheat here just to give it more of a fall feel and bring those fall colors in. I'm just adding in the month and the days now. I wanted to make it super simple, but something that looks nice as well. Just making these colors a little bit darker so you can see it. I'm outlining the middle of the sunflowers in pen and making sure that those are dark. I want it to look pretty realistic, so I'm just doing a lot of dots in the middle right now to make it look like an actual sunflower, adding some brown and some black pen and black marker and brown marker as I fill these in. I chose to do sunflowers here because it's not quite the end of summer, but it brings in the fall colors, but it's still a happy flower. Yellow is always a happy color, and that's what I wanted this journal to be. Something happy and kind of make you feel good. I chose to do this bright yellow first just to fill in everything I had already outlined, and go over it with a little darker yellow to bring in more detail and make it look like more of an actual sunflower. I'm just adding the stems and the leaves, bringing in as much green as I can, still making it look realistic and making it look good, but also trying to make it feel like to have as much green pop to make it a little bit brighter. For this part of the journal, school's starting back up for me, and so I wanted to have a list of things that I can do every day, or things that I needed to do, classes, or maybe it's homework or assignments that I have, things that I need to do. This journal is an awesome way to keep track of that because sometimes it's easy to forget things. I'm just writing down goals that I have on this next page here as I'm filling in all these words and everything that I've already outlined. I drew more sunflowers here to tie it all together and kind of make it pop and make sure it just looks nice and something that's fun to look at and something that I want to keep up with and continue writing in and filling in throughout this month. Again, I'm just doing a little bit of a darker color here to add some detail to these sunflowers, make them look a little bit nicer and a little more realistic. This one is for the monthly mindset goals, just things I wanted to work on. One was journaling and being active outside this month and being able to use media in a good way and message people that I haven't seen in a while or wanted to catch up with. And just filling in my calendar for school. I think it's important to have self-evaluations, and so I use this last page to split up how I will evaluate myself this month, things I can work on, how I'm feeling, things that I've noticed and things that I've done to improve in specific aspects and areas. I have like mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually on here. I'm just adding some more wheat on these pages just to tie it all together, bring in the fall colors and feel. I use a lot of greens and yellows and like a goldish, brownish color throughout this journal just to make sure that, well, it all ties together and just to, we're getting into fall soon, but I just still don't want to let go of summer yet, so kind of doing a mix of both here. And yeah, so the cover pages turned out well with the sunflowers. I think it looks really nice. My calendar's all ready with things that I already have to do for school. I've been able to check off boxes of things I've already done this month, and things I've noticed and things I'm going to work on. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for next month's Plan With Me. See you then.